Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Again, want to thank you guys for the support on the channel. If you like the content, if you like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. Today, I thought I'd just jump into the portfolio and update you guys on some swing trades I'm currently setting up. To be quite honest, I haven't been able to get into the portfolio as much as I have hoped over the last couple of weeks due to work obligations, but definitely hope to be doing a few more trades the next couple of weeks here. I just want to update you guys on the stocks I'm looking at, as well as stocks I have current swing trades being set up in. You can note up on top there, for the first time in I think 3 or 4 trading days, the portfolio is now back in the green, up 0.49% today, 598.99. It did slide a little bit in after hours trading there, 0.05%, 65.63, but nonetheless, still into the day in the green. And you can see here, quite a volatile day. A nice spike in the morning, almost up $1,000 before trending back here in early afternoon trading. 1 point down, 124.09. And it did rebound very nicely right before market close here. Again, ending in the green, up 0.49% with a little bit of a slide in after hours trading, right before after hours trading ended here actually today. And as I scroll down here, I just want to go through and highlight some stocks I'm currently looking at to do swing trades or have already put some money into. So Portola here has been sliding a bit here. Over the last 1 month here, you can see it's down 8.18%. Over the last 1 week, down 7.56%. If this does get down under $50, I'm going to be putting probably another $5,000 into Portola. I'm going to sell off some of my other stocks, put a little bit of money in, looking to do a little bit of a swing trade. You can see there's been some very nice swing trade opportunities here over the past week. And again, this is a stock that I'm more than comfortable holding for the longer term as well. So if I get into a swing trade, I can't get out, that's fine. I'm definitely going to be holding through the next FDA decision, which should be later this year, maybe early 2018. Definitely is a very, very high risk play here. This is definitely not a stock you want to jump into if you are risk averse. Definitely a high risk play, but potential for a very nice payoff as well. The other stock I'm taking a look at, again, I've posted a few videos on this as well. GE here, as you guys know, this has been trending down quite significantly here, 17.04%, while the market has been hitting all-time highs. There's been a lot of shakeups in the upper management with this company. I'm looking at a $21 to $22 price point to jump into the stock. If it hits below $22, I'll definitely be jumping in, probably with $5,000 to $10,000 worth of stock. If not, I'll be kind of watching this to kind of see how everything plays out. But right now, I don't think it's at a price point where I would jump in. As I scroll down the list here, as we talked about, Ford has an upcoming ex-dividend date on the 20th here. So if you want to jump in, you still have a couple more days to do that. But there is quite a bit of trading prior to ex-dividend dates. You can see here it's up 1.24%. So you can even play that as well. Buy a week ahead of time. When it starts trending up close to the ex-dividend date, you can then sell off and kind of play the stock that way. I was going to do that today, but again, since I have such a significant amount of Ford and I'm holding a lot of this for the longer term, I don't really want to be continuing to offset and reset the clock with regards to long-term capital gains. So I haven't really been doing any more day or swing trading with Ford here, just for the tax implications of those trades. Again, Robinhood is a first in, first out only. You cannot do any other types of accounting with Robinhood. I've contacted them various times about this, and they simply will not do that. It's a first in, first out. So anytime you swing trade or day trade with the stock you're holding longer term, you're always resetting the stock for the long-term capital gain tax rates. As I continue to scroll down here, LB, put a little bit more capital back into LB as well. I can see currently 18.2644. I am down here a bit, 2.35%, but I'm looking to hold this maybe a few more weeks here, maybe a couple months. Really looking for it to trend back up here a bit. You can see over the last 1 year, it's down 40.42%. I still think it has a very loyal customer base. I don't really think it's going to be dropping more than this, but again, this is a very risky play as well. But as you guys have probably heard me say before, the more risk, the better rewards as well. So very risky play, and that's a stock I'm going to be looking at, maybe putting a little bit more money into over the next 1 month or so. As I continue to scroll down here, let's jump down to AMD. Been looking at this stock for quite some time. Don't really feel comfortable putting money into AMD right now. I tried to do a few swing trades. It worked out okay, but definitely don't want to be putting a lot of capital into AMD. Just not very comfortable with how the price has been looking here. You can see it's been trending up quite substantially over the last 5 years, 535.87. And even over the last 1 year here, it's up 104.91%. I think it's a little bit too late to jump into the stock. You can see my average cost on the bottom there, $12.25. So really not going to be jumping into AMD, but I'm going to be watching that very, very closely here. The other swing trade I did was with Verizon here, kind of a dividend capture strategy. Swing trade, jumped in. You can see the dividend down here that I qualified for, $54.87. But unfortunately, the stock, telecoms in general, kind of started tanking after I bought this particular stock. And you can see up top here, I am down quite a bit here, down 2.96% with that particular swing trade. So even when factoring in that dividend, I am still down about $80 or so. So I'm going to be holding this for a little bit longer term, but as soon as I break even with that dividend capture, I'm going to be selling off Verizon here. Don't really want to be holding this for the longer term right now. I want to use that capital, have a little bit of fun, and do some more day and swing trades with. And then on the bottom here, I did jump into Prospect Capital. Another very high risk play here. I do like playing around with Prospect Capital. I've been having quite a bit of fun doing some trades with Prospect Capital here. Dividend yield is still very good, even though it has decreased its dividend. The price of the stock has come back quite substantially here. You can see it's down 10% over the last 1 year here, up at one point almost to $9. So I'm going to be watching this very closely. I did jump in for a little bit of a trade today. Nothing spectacular, like I said before. Jumped in 10.11, jumped out at 10.17. Made about $6 or so. Just kind of testing out the waters with Prospect Capital here. I think I might be doing some more dividend capture with this particular stock. Very good stock to do that with. So that's what I'm doing currently with the portfolio. Again, like I said, haven't been able to put in as much time as I would have liked into some of these trades. But these are some of the trades I'm taking a look at currently. And I'm also looking to start back up the user penny stock challenge. It's been a few months since I've been putting any time into that particular portfolio. I have to say, penny stocks take quite a bit of time to jump into the trades, watch the trades, and get out of the trades. You really have to watch those very, very closely. Just haven't had the time to do that with the penny stock portfolio. But like I said, I'm going to be having a little bit more free time over the next couple of weeks here. So definitely am looking to restart doing some more trades with the user-suggested penny stock portfolio. So that's what I'm doing with my portfolio. Just wanted to give you guys an update on what is happening here. Let me know what you guys are doing with your portfolios. And kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.